I'm Tim Copeland. We started Copeland Furniture back in the mid-70s. Since 1975, we've been designing and manufacturing solid wood furniture in our factory in Vermont. We're committed to domestic manufacturing and to the American worker. Our furniture can be accurately described as the product of an intersection of state-of-the-art manufacturing technology and traditional hand craftsmanship. In this brief video, we'll illustrate that idea by walking you through the stages of production of one of our most popular pieces, the Estelle chair. It all begins with an idea. We're constantly working to identify trends and needs in the marketplace. Once a design brief is established, that idea is given form with 3D computer-aided design software, often referred to as CAD. Actual production begins here in the form of raw lumber. Every week we purchase over 20,000 board feet of hardwood lumber from well-managed timber lots in the American northern forest. Species like walnut, cherry, maple, oak, and ash. Not only are northern forest hardwoods prized as some of the most desirable species for woodworking, this regional sourcing model helps limit the overall carbon footprint of our organization. In a process known as optimization, we take this raw lumber and process it to remove defects. The first step of optimization begins at the planer, where the rough surfaces created at the sawmill are planed smooth and an even thickness is established. The planed lumber is then visually evaluated and the defects are identified with a special marker. A computerized scanner reads the length and the width of the boards as well as the location of the marked defects and determines the optimal way to use the board to fill our cut list with minimal waste. Cut boards are then sorted by length. The next station is the rip saw. Here planed and optimized boards are cut lengthwise or ripped in order to remove any defects running the length of the board and to provide the perfectly straight edge required for glue panels. The first step in gluing panels is color matching. This is critical to the final appearance of the furniture. While natural variations from one board to the next are a large part of the appeal of solid wood furniture, there is some amount of human judgment involved. A skilled operator with good visual sensitivity selects individual boards and lays them out in an aesthetically pleasing way. After the boards have been color matched, glue is applied to one edge and they are arranged on the bed of a radio frequency glue machine. Once in the machine, a large plate lowers onto the panel to perfectly align the boards, and hydraulic pistons press the panel together at 3,000 pounds per square inch. Then radio waves are conducted through the glue lines, which in turn causes the glue to cure and reach 80% of its strength in about 1 minute. Glued panels are then sent to the wide belt sander, where 3 belts of consecutively finer grit remove any residual glue and prepare the surface for final machining. CNCs, or computer numerically controlled machining centers, perform multiple operations at a single workstation, following the exact shape and tool paths that were established by the specifications of our designers and engineers during the CAD process. These machines significantly reduce the overall processing time from raw lumber to finished parts. Because of their ability to shape and machine complex parts with perfect repeatability and tolerances as small as several thousandths of an inch, our designers are liberated to experiment with shapes and forms that stand out from a market that is far too often generic and uninspired. After machining, the underside of each chair seat is laser engraved with the Copeland Furniture logo, indicating that the piece was manufactured with pride in our factory in Vermont. Each part of the chair is then carefully hand-sanded and assembled from the ground up. Traditional mortise and tenon joints are reinforced by precisely machined wedges that eliminate the need for stringers running between the legs, preserving the sleek, minimal design of the Estelle chair. This kind of design choice is found throughout our product line. It's these subtle variations on conventional approaches that make our furniture unique. Highly durable, catalyzed, low-emission finishes are standard on all Copeland furniture products. Our finishes are Green Guard certified for low chemical emissions to Underwriters Laboratories 2818 Gold Standard. These finishes are rated by the Kitchen Cabinet Manufacturers Association as appropriately durable for a kitchen setting, a significant upgrade over the furniture industry's conventional lacquers. Each piece receives multiple coats and is hand sanded between coats. The result is a finish that provides superior protection without the heavy buildup or emission associated with other lacquers. All of these elements, from careful planning and design through high-tech machining and hand craftsmanship, add up to a quality product that's engineered to last a lifetime. A product that will enrich your living environment with striking design and superior comfort. The level of thought, care, and workmanship evident in the Estelle chair goes into every piece of furniture we make. We invite you to visit your local retailer and experience Copeland furniture in person.